All right, guys, in this video, we're gonna dive into the age-old debate in real estate, and that is private showings versus open houses. As a home seller, choosing the right strategy can make all the difference in selling your property quickly and efficiently. So let's dive into the pros and cons for each approach. Section 1, we'll talk about private showings. They offer a personalized experience for potential buyers, and here's some benefits and drawbacks. Positives: serious buyers. Those who schedule private showings are often more serious about purchasing, leading to more productive interactions. Then you have personalized attention. Buyers receive tailored walkthroughs, allowing them to ask questions and really envision themselves in the home. And then also flexible timing. Showings can be scheduled at times that work best for both the buyer and the seller. Some of the downsides are limited exposure. If you're only offering private showings, fewer buyers will see the property compared to an open house. And next is maybe repeated prep work. The home must be spotless for each showing, which can be time consuming. Now let's explore the pros and cons of hosting an open house. Some of the upsides: you get mass exposure. Open houses attract many potential buyers at once. That increases the chance of receiving multiple offers. You also have convenience. Buyers can view the property without scheduling an appointment with an agent, creating a relaxed viewing experience. And the competitive edge of an open house is seeing other interested buyers can encourage potential buyers to make their best offer. And lastly, the competitive edge. When buyers walk into a house and they see other interested buyers, it can encourage those buyers to make their best offer, knowing there may be competition. And some downsides is you have some security concerns. With many strangers in the home, there is risk of theft and vandalism. You might have unqualified visitors. Not everyone intending that open house is a serious buyer, which can waste time and resources. And ultimately, the choice between private showings and open houses depends on your goals, property type, and the market conditions. Consider combining both strategies for the best result. As always, my goal is to educate and navigate, not speculate and fabricate. If you have any questions or you need further guidance, please feel free to reach out or follow me for my weekly tips and updates. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helps you make an informed decision when selling your home.